Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Backlash Angling. It is the 7th annual Lucas Graham Memorial Fishing Tournament. It's about 4 in the morning. We're about to take off here. We're heading to Lake Nip this year. We had a couple rough years with Temagami. Some good size, good fishing, which you guys have seen, but just not numbers wise. So we're heading up to Nip. We'll be kind of right at the mouth of Calendar Bay. We got 7 guys going this year. A lot of machines this year, couple newcomers, so we're excited. We're hoping, you know, we can roll the content out for you guys with this trip. It's been kind of rough down here in Southern Ontario. I mean, no ice literally at all. So we're hoping maybe we can get a couple episodes out of this. We can get some great content with you guys, or to you guys. So yeah, stick around. Should be a good one.
Gotta get the boots, gotta get the bag.
Okay, so we have made it to the Airbnb. We were just getting things unpacked. We got about a couple hours until we're gonna have some entrance into the Airbnb. So we're just gonna go. We're gonna head out to our first spot. I think we've done enough talking. We need to get to some fishing. So yeah, we're gonna head out to our first spot. It's about 4.5K off of Deepwater Point. So let's hopefully we can get there, get set up real quick, and then hopefully we can get a quick walleye or a couple perch. But yeah, I'm done talking. It's been a long day of travel. It's right around 10 o'clock right now, so still early on, but I'm ready for fishing. Let's go.
Mark. There we go. Fish on. Still on. There we go. Keep your pinch.
Jumbie! That's gotta go 9 inches, I think.
First fish of the weekend. It's not a monster, but it's still on the board.
There we go. 9.5-inch perch. We are on the board.
Zach, where's the other lithium battery for the auger?
I have it. Why is it running out? You got it?
Yeah, Jason's coming to get it.
Jason's on again. Oh. Smaller perch. But another perch. Yeah, with this here, like, it wouldn't take much. I got something really little. Like smaller than my jig and minnow. How's that even possible?
Another one. Whoa, here we go. Ooh, little head shake.
This one could be better. We're on. Oh yeah, there we go. Beauty. I think that's a keeper walleye. We might be on the board. Nice one. 37, so 14 and a half. We're on the board.
Okay, so we are officially out. It is 1 o'clock, so that is a good old 3 hours. We knew it wasn't going to be an easy setup, and we were kind of just taking it easy because there was some pressure cracks and just the ice has been so finicky this year. So yeah, we're finally out. We're already down a sled, so in typical Backlash fashion, we are having some issues, but we got the trout set up. We're fishing. We got lines down. And me and the old man are taking the first afternoon shift. We are fishing for walleye mainly, so we kind of assume that the afternoon bite's going to be a little bit slower, but we're hoping some perch will come in and kind of give us something to do in the afternoon. And then, yeah, like I said, we're looking for walleye and burbot, so it's going to be mainly an evening and night shift. So let's just hope for the best here. Let's get after it.
It's my life.
There we go. Come on.
Fish.
There we go. First fish.
All right.
Just messing around with it. Oh, thank you, walleye. That ain't gonna go. First fish.
Get a length. Get a length.
That's what we're talking. That's why we come to Lake Nipissing, baby. Those are the loins you need. I'm gonna guess 11. 10-inch walleye for the board. 10-inch walleye. She's going back.
Coming your way. Come on. That peanut butter.
There you go. He took in it. He was running with your minnow. There we go.
Not very big.
No. Another smallish walleye.
I'm guessing.
Fighting around the ultralight here. That ain't a bad one.
Hey.
There we go.
There we go.
On the board. Another 13-incher probably.
Yeah.
I'd say.
Is that keeper? No.
14-incher. No. 15 and a half.
Yeah.
15 3/4 in Nipissing. So another beauty walleye. 14-incher. Going back. Nice.
Yes.
On the board. Okay, it is day 2. Yesterday was a bit of a blur. We ended up not getting into the best bite. We actually were setting up on a spot that I'd never fished before. Not that I'm super familiar with Nipissing, but the place we're going today, I have a lot more confidence. But yeah, Jason and Clint, they put a pound town on it. We're gonna just keep rolling off those vibes. But yeah, we're gonna head an extra 3.5K from the spot we were today. And it's just this big shoal, and we had some good luck there back in 2019. So hopefully the walleye are still participating in some activities there, and the burbot come out to play too. But yeah, we're looking forward to it. It's a full day. We're gonna just send it all the way out, and then yeah, we're likely gonna be out there for the day. What do we got on the menu for the day there, old man?
So we have pulled venison and coleslaw sandwiches, and for supper we're going to do walleye, perch, and pierogies.
So that means we gotta catch some fish. So we got some work to do. There's a lot of work doing this stuff in the Airbnb. If you're looking for just doing something that's nice and easy, I'd suggest getting the overnight bungalows, but hopefully this whole activity and all the effort's worthwhile, and we can get on a really good bite today. But yeah, let's get these sleds packed up and then get out on the water.
It's cool.
We got me. You ready? Follow me out. I just darted down. He might be coming towards you. Always backing on me. Yes. You recording? You got your phone? Hold on. How's the GoPro's going? Oh, dude, dogging good. You want to pull that hummingbird out? It might be at the hole here. Boom! Let's go! Eskimo's got an eye! Eskimo has an eye! Okay, this is actually, this is what I'm gonna get to. Watch this. There's a person. Come on. So good. Come on. Look at him. Funniest presentation. This minnow is just freaking out right now. I'm gonna mark this thing.
As
As if he goes right to you.
As if. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Drops it. The tiniest little thing. No way that worked. That's hilarious.
Absolutely no luck.
Man.
I'm gonna get this little tungsten jig. That's a nice walleye.
Oh.
Oh no, it's a Cisco.
Oh, it's a Cisco.
This is what we've been dealing with.
Yeah. Look at that.
That's a sweet
Cisco on the board.
That's what we've been dealing with, I think, all day today. It's just a bunch of Ciscos. These things are so slimy. We literally have been putting all sorts of stuff down. Spoons, jigs, all of minnows. And then that was 2 seconds down with that. I'm like, I gotta switch that over. Little, sweet little Cisco.
There we go.
Nothing for the competition, but hey, to get a bite, it's pretty sweet. Get her back.
Alright guys, so it's about 20 after 1 here, day 2. Every tent here has been marking quite a bit. We have had some luck. Each tent's got a fish now. I got things started with a little 13.5-inch eye at about 11:30 or so. Zach got on the board with a 15. Corey knocked me off for first place with a, what was it, 16.5, I think. So midday eye, so we're looking forward to dusk here. Hopefully we can maybe snag some more, maybe get a pike, maybe a perch, who knows what's rolling through. We're just about to get lunch going. Today we got venison sliders with coleslaw, cheese, and then yeah, we'll eat and then we'll just put the hammer down and hopefully land a couple more.
Also called a herring.
Yep. Yep.
On?
Yep.
Oops. That's a little eye. Pushing
Hey guys, 3:30 in the afternoon. Just got another little eye. White jig, minnow, simple.
He's little, but he's aggressive.
He's on the bottom.
That's me coming up. Oh, no.
No,
Yep.
he's on you. He's on you.
Come up. Come
He's
up.
coming up.
Come
He's coming up. He's coming up. He's up there. He's up there. He's going down a
Just
little.
dropped it.
He's going down. He's going down.
Might be going back towards Sean. We didn't sing him.
I just
man.
lost him.
He's coming to you, Sean. Get down there. He's right on bottom for you.
Yeah, I see him.
Down dirt for me.
This is so cool. Watch someone like
Yeah, dude.
pull through the screens.
That's why Panot always back on me.
Yes! 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 Hold on! Hold on. Go slow.
It's little. Oh, you know what I love? I love hammering eyes through the ice. On the Chartreuse dinner bell. That's 2 on the day. Things are heating up a little bit earlier than they were last night, so let's re-minnow, get them back in the hole, and let's hammer them tonight, boys. There he is. There he is.
There we go.
There he is. Keep it steady. Keep it steady.
Is your drag section nice? You should be in by now.
There he is. He's there. He's there. He's there. He's at the bottom of the hole. Get him in. Get him in. Get him in. Let's go.
That's big! That's big! That's on the board! That's some points! That's 9 points!
What's going on here?
Oh, we're heating up now. Let's go. Let's go. Woo!
For what?
He's all over you.
You're witnessing this. We'll set you on
Oh! You
I did not slam it that hard.
No, you suck!
I know I suck, but
You
I
lose
set the
so
hook.
many fish! I used to
Oh, redemption! Who sucks now?
Goes to the other
Who sucks now? Let's go. Let's go. digging. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Little walleye. Not bad.
Nice little chunky walleye.
That was called a redemption, right?
Yeah, he literally lost that one.
Back for a swim. Thanks, buddy, for giving me redemption.
You got so lucky. Okay, so that's going to wrap things up for part 1 of 2 of our Lake Nipissing trip this past couple weeks ago in February. We ended up starting to find a really good bite on the Saturday, so I figured I would split this video up pretty much at the halfway point of the tournament, the Lucas Graham Memorial Tournament, and then I'll put out another good video in a couple in the next week or two. But yeah, we'll wrap things up there. Like I said, we do have some good content for the second video, so hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to stay tuned for part 2 and see who the winner is. It comes down to the absolute wire. And once again, big thank you to our sponsors, Okuma Fishing and Fish Lab Tackle. Without them, this channel would not be really rolling. They help us get our equipment, and they help us get us out on the water and out on the ice. So thanks again to those guys, and we'll catch you for part 2 in the coming weeks. Cheers.